We'll guide you through how to make vertical videos in iMovie. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to go and edit some videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or you just want to make some vertical videos, it doesn't matter. We need to come and press back in the top left. Now you need to go to the top left of your Mac and press File and press New App Preview and go and press OK like this. Now what you need to do is you're going to get a new project. Go and press back though, and then what you want to do is go and select App Preview like this. App Preview should go and open up. If it doesn't, go and select it like so. Now, the first clip or video you add in, it needs to be vertical to go and set the project format. So let me go and drag it in like so. And now this project is going to be vertical. If you go and add in a horizontal video like so, you can go and select it and press crop at the top, and you can then go and crop the part you want. As you can see, go and edit it and add everything you want. And when you're ready to go and export it, press File, hover over Share, and you can press File again and export it. And you'll go and see, here is the outcome.